So today we're gonna be going out with the dirt bike on the lake. Froze over not too long ago. Still got the studded tires on there. They're holding up pretty good. Still pretty sharp. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. We gotta be quick for this. Leaning up against the garage door. She hasn't been started in a while, so let's see. Trying to do a rip up the. I want to do a rip up the thing. See how it does in the powder. Yeah, worked not bad. Struggling a bit, but we'll go out and like and check out how the ice is. Hopefully it's not too slushy. Looks to be pretty okay, so. Fun. Woo, this is working good. Looks like we have a spectator. Woo! Stand-up wheelies are so fun. Holy shoot. We're out on the lake. It's working pretty good. It actually grabs traction in this deep snow. Like we got like maybe like 5 inches of snow out here. We're on the ice. Not going too far because there's ice huts and stuff around here, and I think those are heavier than my bike. Let's just get a couple more shots and There it is. Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.